Just put this on. I'm absolutely boiling already. Get your mic up so we can hear you.
Yeah.
Aye, so you can lick it.
Aye. Put it next to your gub. Is that recording? Aye. I think that screen's certainly making a difference. Wrong colour, eh? But
is that?
Aye.
It's about the same height as mine now. There's no much of a difference in the two of them.
Mhm.
That's what was on it. That was what was on it. YouTube.
Ah, but you had the wee short one.
Don't know a wee short one.
Well, that is the small. That's well, it was small when I ordered it.
See, I would change that to smoked like that because I think that would make your bike look cooler.
I might do when I put my private plate on.
Aye. Well, what's your plate going to be?
AM1284.
Ah.
It's on my Range Rover now.
Right. So you got to put it on this?
Gil's putting her private plate in the Range Rover and I'm just going to put mine on this.
Ah.
Oh, fucking bollocks.
What you done?
Oh, oh.
What you done?
Keys.
Keys.
That's fucking bollocks, that.
Willie's the same, eh? Willie spends ages getting his gloves and all that on and then sits on his bike and then realises he's not got his keys. So he's got to take everything off again. He's an absolute nightmare.
Right after this car.
That was a cheeky wee Starbucks, thanks very much, John. I went off their coffees, yeah, I prefer the hot chocolates.
Hey, where am I going? Straight on?
Straight on.
Straight on.
You still in range, Dusty? No, he's not.
He's too far ahead.
Yeah?
Ah, you're there.
Right. Oh, there you are. Come on, you go, pal. Catch up.
Well,
Suzuki's fuck's sake.
Dusty is actually Victor.
Victor Meldrew.
Victor with his new trousers.
Toot.
No,
What do you look like a GS rider, eh?
no feet down. Aye, you're fairly getting into it, Alec.
Well, big time.
Victor.
I'll tell you what I've learned today, this is not going to fucking Italy with us.
What's not?
What is the GS?
Oh, my fucking trousers.
Ah, Jesus. Aye. They're a bit hot, aren't they?
Oh, I'm wearing my fucking leather jacket, I'll tell you that.
So much fucking traffic on the roads, kids.
I know, and this is a Sunday. It's a flippin' Sunday.
Tell you what, this seat's made a huge difference. Like, it's so comfy compared to just the standard one.
Is this your first ride out with your new seat?
Yeah. Fucking brilliant, this.
Excellent.
I could ride on this all day now and not get to say that.
Aye, this bike's got a comfort seat as well, eh? It's really comfortable.
I can see that. It's quite quickly.
It's not a lot of boys can say what you just said.
This is like deja vu, John, eh?
Aye.
Hopefully the road surfaces are going to be better this time.
Aye, it was a bit shit last time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
About 6 miles of that fucking crappy stuff.
Aye,
I'm not going that. Are we going right round that way?
any way you want.
Any way you want me, I'll follow you.
You are the leader.
I'm fucking sweltering. I'm fucking sweltering.
I've got a fucking visor open. I'm going to open my jacket up.
I'm fucking going to open my dick up as well.
Just
Me, man.
just turn your air con on, John.
Fucking hell, man. Whoa. There you go, Jacob home. Fuck me.
I've got my vents open,
23 degrees it's showing for me now.
2.
0. Helen's bra. My right hand's all tingly.
Aye. That vibration off your bike.
Aye. No, it doesn't vibrate, it just goes tingly from time to time. I've got arthritis in my hands,
Aye, me too.
and I've got,
It's my thumbs that gets there, the rest of my hands.
aye,
Alright.
I've got white finger as well, Oh, I'll get this vent open. This visor open. Oh, it's clammy,
Wow.
It's lovely.
Tent box. Another. Oh, I'm an outdoors type.
Stop at the same place we stopped the last time.
Aye, we'll see if that.
The wee shop's open.
Aye, and see if that guy's there again.
Oh, by the way, weirdo.
Mhm. Fuck, he's actually alright. He's obviously. He's got
We're in
sight.
a peninsula, but what we'll do is, before we get to Kilcreggan, we'll turn right and go over the top of the hill.
Aye,
Okay.
the boy's got psychedelic problems.
Operator, please. This is fuck, man.
Indicator.
I never used mine.
I just like leaving mine on. Any time today, you go round there.
I know,
fuck's sake.
Then turned right into a dead end. Now he's reversing. Maybe if he looked at the sign before he made the turn.
Fucking lovely here, isn't it?
Nice,
Oh, there's a Polus. Polizzi!
I've seen quite a few of the Polus cars a day.
Aye.
We've seen one this morning, eh?
Aye. Aye. That paramedic that treated the boy in the response vehicle, I'm sure I dealt with him last week as well,
Boys are good. A bandit.
I never looked.
No, I think that was one of the wee fucking Triumphs. Triple.
Is it?
Aye.
Fancy fillings. Was there no roadworks here the last time?
No, because we went straight through. This is forcing us to go right, I think. Is it? No, it's not. Get it back. Oh, could have been second there.
You need to go up the way, John. Up the way.
Love that smell.
What, seaweed?
See box the fuck out your bike right enough.
I used to run round here.
That's nice,
Aye, it's lovely. That's why it's so fucking dear to buy a house.
Aye. Be a bit dreich in the winter though. Dreich.
Hey. Everybody's come up this way because they knew the weather was going to be better. That's my
No.
take on it.
It's because they knew we were coming out, so they thought, right, we're going to go out and we're going to annoy Sean, John and Victor.
Takes a lot to annoy me.
And they all wanted to come out. They all wanted to come out and see.
Life's too short.
Aye, they all wanted to come out and see Victor's new trousers.
Listen, we were just an hour fucking late.
we're doing our paramedic duties. This is the third time we've came here this year. This is a good wee road though.
Oh, that's a nice old bike.
Nice.
Yeah.
We had to get away from that fog, like. That's been 3 days.
4 days of fog.
Is it 4 days? 4 days it's
Aye.
been.
4 days of fucking fog.
You need a big fucking strong wind to get in there.
Well, I've been trying.
You've been trying.
You're always trying.
Aye.
Scooters.
Wee scooters.
They're on 2 wheels, they're up, brethren.
I'll wave to them, but the only ones I won't wave to is these Deliveroo and fast.
Oh, look at that.
These fast
That's a
food
classic,
guys,
that. Oh, they're
CND.
Looks abandoned now.
There's no bus in there as well. There it's there, little Plaxton. I don't watch telly. Can't be bothered with it. And I fall out with her all the time about it. She says, why do you just watch YouTube all the time and no watch telly? I says, because I watch YouTube and it's honest. I says, you're watching telly, I said, and it's all lies.
Well, a lot of YouTube's fucking hashtag, like, to be honest.
Aye, I bet you can pick and
It
choose.
takes a lot of filtering to find the good stuff.
Aye, I know. Well, just tune into BMC MOTO. Or or BMC Workshop. If you want to do the cars. Smell the shite, eh? Somebody's septic tank no fucking
Well, it
working.
must be, the wind must be behind us.
It's no me. I emptied the
You
tank.
sure?
I emptied the tank before I came out. It's been 2 weeks since we've been out, Alec.
Aye.
Although I've been out on the bike most days, but it's been 2 weeks since, well, it's been 2 weeks since I had this.
2 weeks since I've been out.
And saying that, I've taken the GSX to work one day. So, one day, that was 2 weeks ago. That was just to feel it.
Saying that, now and again I've got to do some fucking chores in the house.
That's because you're under the thumb. You've been whipped, boy.
Yeah, but she makes a good living, so I want to be under.
Yeah.
Don't want to upset her.
No. What about you, John? Are you whipped?
No.
Neither am I. I'm wild, eh?
No, it's not that. I really just doesn't give a fuck.
No, to be fair, Gail doesn't either. She's just lit back and fuck.
Neither does Michelle. Michelle's alright, eh?
Aye, Gail's fine.
We're quite lucky that we've got women that just leave us alone, eh?
Aye. I see Gail going on the bike. She'd usually say, well, I'm going to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife does that. I've got a bike, we're going to some Mars or something. She's actually doing big on your bike. On your bike, you know what I mean? So, to be fair, I'm in a fucking shit here.
Yeah.
I need to get there.
Aye, of course you do. Yeah, and look at you. You tuned into YouTube and you found a fucking riding buddy.
I hate to say this, but that did not sound right.
I didn't know.
Aye.
It's the risk in having your camera
We're
trying to
gonna-
just want people to know.
It's motorbiking we're talking about.
Yes.
I watched a YouTube video, right? And the guy says, I am not going to call it a helmet. You know? Because that sounds silly and immature. I'm like, what are you talking about, mate? It's a fucking helmet.
It's called the helmet.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
So I'm going to refer to it as a lid.
Calling your tail end a helmet is a bit immature.
These lights are no fucking.
Well, the guy that was in the video was a fucking helmet, eh?
Sorry. If they hit you, I'm diving to the inside lane.
Usually there's nothing happening, eh? So it wouldn't matter.
And their lights on.
No working full
Nah, it's
stop.
not that side here.
Nah, that's not working. Aye. I'm not going to call it a helmet, because that's silly.
Seriously, it's not called a helmet anyway, it's called a skid lid.
Crash lid.
No, a skid lid.
Skidlet.
It's a fucking helmet. Yeah, helmet.
Your fucking tail end.
Aye.
Tail end is the proper word for a helmet.
Yeah.
You can see why
Goes
the...
on a cock.
No, but you can see why they call it a bell end, eh? Because it does look like a bell, eh? If you were to chop the rest of it off and hang it up by the Jap's eye, it would just look like a bell.
It's a phallic symbol.
Aye.
Say an Alex syndrome is a phallic.
Yes, an Alex.
Phallic.
Get this open, get some air in. I wonder if that guy will be here again.
Surprised if he's not.
Well, just look at... for it. Aye, his tent's there. Aye, his tent's there.
Is it?
Aye, just behind the cars.
We shouldn't have done that.
Nope, you shouldn't
same
have done
space.
that.
No, you need to reverse in.
I'm going to. I'm waiting for somebody to fucking reverse.
There's a space there, eh?
Just park in here. If somebody's disabled, we'll fucking move.
Aye, well, 3 of us will get in there where that 125 is. Beep, 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 beep. My Fanito has came on. Oh, isn't that gorgeous, eh? You just can't hear me, you pair of fannies, because you have took your helmets off. Give me a wave. Wave if you're a fanny. Ah, you must hear. Must have supersonic hearing.